Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows ultrasound findings in a pregnancy of about 7 weeks. You can see the uterus, urinary bladder, and the gestation sac, and a fetal pole is visible inside the gestation sac. A small umbilical vesicle is also seen along with the fetal pole. At around 7 weeks of pregnancy, it is reasonably common for women to have their first ultrasound. This can be for many reasons, but the most common is to confirm pregnancy and to check that the embryo is viable and everything is okay. So the measurement of the gestation sac will be taken along with the crown to rump measurement of the embryo. At 7 weeks, the baby should be about 5 to 9 millimeter in size, and the gestation sac will be about 18 to 24 millimeter. As earlier as 7 weeks, you may not see the embryo or fetal heartbeat due to the embryo being so small. A gestation sac and a yolk sac may only be visible, but in this case you can see a fetal pole is also visible along with the umbilical vesicle, also called the yolk sac. Due to panic, the sonographer will try and give you as much as information as she or he can. You may need to come back in 7 to 10 days time for the follow-up scan. But the transvaginal ultrasound may show better results in such early ultrasound scannings, but a modern and latest ultrasound machine, abdominal ultrasound, will also reveal many of these findings. A fetal heartbeat, you can see the fetal heartbeat is visible in this case, and the scanning is transabdominal. You can see the blood flow also in the fetus. Now again you can see the blood flow, and now you can see with the naked eye also the fetal heartbeat, and the cardiac activity is visible and audible in this case. The pregnancy measures about 7 weeks, as you have seen by these measurements. But as early as 7 weeks, you may not see the embryo or fetal heartbeat due to the embryo being so small. A gestation sac and yolk sac may only be visible, but in this case you can see both are visible due to the latest machine. And a fetal heartbeat may first be detected by a vaginal ultrasound as early as 5.5 to 6 weeks after gestation. That's when the fetal pole, the first visible sign of developing embryo, can sometimes be seen, but between 6.5 to 7 weeks after gestation, a heartbeat can be better assessed. Again, you can see the fetal cardiac activity. A fetal heartbeat may first be detected by vaginal ultrasound as early as 5.5 to 6 weeks. This is a transabdominal ultrasonography where you can see the fetal cardiac activity as well as the blood flow inside the fetal heart. A simple blood test that can determine the baby's sex as early as 7 weeks into pregnancy is highly accurate if used correctly, a finding that experts say is likely to lead more widespread use by parents concerned about gender-linked diseases. those who are merely curious, and people considering the more ethically. Now, it is not unheard of for a twin pregnancy to go undetected in early ultrasound, say around 10 weeks, but once you reach the midway point of your pregnancy and have the 20 weeks pregnancy scan, you can be 99.99% confident about how many babies to expect at the delivery. Now, the signs and symptoms of the miscarriage are cramping or pain in the lower back of the abdomen, heavy bleeding, possibly with clots or tissues that is similar to period, and lighter bleeding that lasts more than 3 days. You can find the first trimester is associated with the high risk for miscarriage. Most miscarriages occur in the first trimester before the 12th week of pregnancy. A miscarriage in the second trimester, that is between 13 to 19 weeks, happens in 1 to 5% of pregnancies. Now you can see the embryo, both the ovaries, uterus. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.